Okay, let's start the lesson. Today we are going to talk about narrative text. Narrative text have close relation with a short story. What is narrative text? Narrative text is a text that tells about something that is fictitious and only in the form of essays from the writer only. And then the purpose of narrative text is to amuse and to entertain the reader with a story. Okay, now would you please look on the text structure of a narrative. There is begin with orientation and then followed by complication and then resolution. And then for the code here, it is optional, yeah. And then what we will discuss about orientation. What is orientation? Orientation is the introduction of characters, introduction to the background, time and place of the story, and the sections contains a general part of the story that includes what, who, when, and where the story is told. And then the complication. In this case, the main characters start experiencing conflicts. And then the last paragraph is resolution. In this section, the main characters must be resolve all the problem in the story. And then for moral value, it is optional. Okay, now would you please try to identify the setting and characters while I read a story. This is a story about Watuullah Beach, Jember. I know everyone here have already visited Watuullah Beach, Jember. Very beautiful beach in Jember. One day, Aki and Nini Sambi, who were looking for firewood in the forest, were startled by the sound of babies crying. They searched for the sound and found two handsome baby boys. Seeing it, Nini Sambi immediately fell in love. She begged her husband to take care of the babies. Seeing his wife so eager to take care of them, Aki Sambi allowed, and they named them Joko Samudra and Marsudo. Time passed, made the two boys grow up. They always take turns looking for fish in the sea for the needs of family life. One sunny day, Marsudo, who was fishing, was jolted by the swaying of his fishing rod. He picked up the fishing rod and how surprised he was when he saw a large fish caught in his fishing line. Even more surprised, the fish can talk. He wanted Marsudo to release himself. In return, Marsudo's every wish would be granted. Pity and feeling uncomfortable, Marsudo released the fish, which turned out to be named Raja Mina. With great gratitude, King Mina swam freely. Marsudo's act of releasing this very large fish actually made Aki Sambi angry, so he made a mess of the rice he was about to eat. Later, the rice will turn into white sand at Jember White Sand Beach. Meanwhile, to relieve his father's annoyance, Joko Samudra fished in the sea in place of his younger brother. However, misfortune cannot be denied, profit cannot be achieved. Instead of getting a fish, he got a big snake. The snake went berserk because Joko Samudra's fishing hook injured his body. Not wanting to give up, Joko Samudra fought back. A fierce duel is inevitable. Seeing his older brother struggling against the giant snake, Marsudo called out King Mina. He asked for the promise of King Mina to be kept. That is, all his wishes were granted. He wanted his brother to win against the giant snake. Hearing Marsudo's request, King Mina gave him a whip. Twice hit, then his body will split into three. Spirit of three parts of his body into three places, so he can be united. If united, he will come back to life. That's what King Mina said to Marsudo. Okay, that's the legend that made the beach name Watuullah. Okay, have you identified the setting? Yes, the setting is in the sea, and then the characters Aki and Nini Sambi and also Marsudo and Joko Samudra, right? and then also King Mina and Big Snakes. And the quote here, there are two, the attitude of help and the promise must be kept. Okay, let's have a look. This is the beautiful of our beach here in Jember called Watuulo. Okay, don't forget to visit the sea whether you have a holiday. Okay, now let's continue to practice. You must do practice 1 until practice 6. In this case, you must make a group of 2, and then make a draft of narrative story. Consists of 3: orientation, complication, and resolution. And then after 2 weeks, you must swap or exchange the story to another group, and then ask the group to give comments on your writing, and then you must revise after that. And then don't forget to submit the text that have already revised in Google Classroom. And then next time you must retell the story. Do you have any questions? Okay, if there isn't any questions, that's all for explanation about narrative today. Thank you for your participation.